Hi, my name is Cedric Dosu. I'm originally from West Africa, chasing my American dream. I am a husband, I am a dad, and I'm also a business owner. I own CPR cell phone repair here in Towson on 99 and McDowell, right next to Cox Communication. But we also partner with the largest insurance company in the nation, where we can service any of your claim through the insurance. We can get you into a new iPhone or a new MacBook for just $50 down today. Hey, my name is Cedric Dosu, and the name of my company is CPR Cell Phone Repair.